Prices of petrol and diesel rose for the third time in a span of 8 days on Saturday. This time, petrol price has been increased by 87 paise and diesel prices are up by 91 paise. This marks the third upward revision in retail fuel rates this month by the state-owned oil companies amid sustained pressure from rising global crude oil prices and geopolitical tensions in West Asia. The hike comes a day after the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas had assured that despite rumors, India has adequate petrol and diesel supplies. The fresh hike is likely to put additional pressure on commuters, transporters and businesses across multiple sectors. Experts have warned that repeated increases in petrol and diesel prices may lead to higher transportation and logistic costs, which could eventually push up the prices of essential goods and food items. India relies on imports for nearly 85% of its crude oil requirements, making domestic fuel prices vulnerable to fluctuations in global markets. Meanwhile, with the hike, petrol is sold at 104.04 rupees per litre and diesel at 89.87 rupees per litre at BB and CO petrol pump in Sangay Petrol.